Ooh, Zimero.
Video, as y'all can see, the sun is shining.
Come on,
we at the
young
10th
man.
annual How You Ride TV car
Young
show.
up in his titty.
And I got my car back. Me
out?
and Cuz, we up in here representing. You know that. You knew that. We're gonna show y'all a couple of the cars. It's gonna be some big YouTubers coming later today. We're gonna holler at them when that time comes. But right now, we'll let y'all see a couple cars. Yeah, Black Beauty is back, baby. She back.
Rooted Trophies is up here too. The person who I've been getting my trophies from for all these years. Can I get a round of applause for him? Y'all see how tall my trophy's been since the beginning? Yeah. Round of applause.
They definitely got some cars in here though.
Round of applause, please, y'all, please.
This Jeep right here. I know my wife living that.
Stop putting your hand over the mic.
Mean.
Oh, my bad.
Tahoe over in the cut. I'm at the UV Ballers. That orange on that car hitting. Forged the Audi.
Not even that. Don't burn no rubber. Please don't burn
I'm
no
gonna show y'all.
rubber.
I'm gonna show you some more cars in a minute. Take the show.
Yep.
All right, guys, we got some more cars for y'all. We're gonna let y'all get some up and close and personal with them. I'm shocked how many Chevys out here today. Usually Mopar been taking all the meets, but it look like Chevy gang today. Impala got the lights in it. Nice. Feel like some sixes. Oh, y'all wasn't ready for that. That might hitting. Young Rapids on there. Crazy. It's hitting all different types of colors. We got the Impala right next to him. Down there. Then we got the green machine right next to it, another Impala. Sitting up, looking good. And another one. I still like these newer body Impalas, even though I know they discontinued them. They still decent. Nice little family car. Black on black. NTZ. Slide down this little row right here. Old school caddy. The extra wheel and the fender, it look like. It's crazy looking. Old school gangster white wall. Seeing on some roaches. Got the other fan on some roaches. Box Chevy joint. That view's on it. That's my boy Camaro. We both had these 5th gens. They was both black, the IROCs. For people that have seen my previous Camaro. Drop. Another 5th gen camo wrap on it. This truck is pretty nice right here, y'all. What y'all think about this? Hit a quick walk around this one. Nice bucket. Nice bucket in the back. That paint. Glass. Definitely glass. Another SS for y'all. 4th gen. FUs on it. Got the speaker knockers over here. See the amps hanging out the door. I'ma break your spine. Next spot, I'm gonna break your wheels. Oh, you know that amp's huge. 2 of them. Got all the power machines all right next to each other. Speakers, more speakers in the door. More speakers for you guys. We got one more at the end. So they got the music definitely covered. That's these trucks real quick. This here on the Almighty Forge joints. I like that, it's clean. Got the bands right next to it. Dude got this custom trailer over here on this back of this truck. Let y'all check out. Now, we got the sounds in this mug. Interior done. Not playing with him, he got sounds for days. I'm like enclosed inside some glass, that's crazy. Skyline pulling in. The bumper took a hit. She dangling a little bit. She low. And we in Milwaukee, so you know the streets raggedy. Oh yeah, we got the. So this car show is the old school versus the new school. So we got 2 SS's. 442 versus the SS Mero. Y'all know I'ma still bully him if we race, but in the look department, he got it. He got it for now.
It's like he's made out of ring.
I'll let y'all be the judge. Tell me in the comments below what y'all think. No, I ain't saying that.
You pulled off a lot, but he had to go make. Watch out, man.
This mug nasty. Nasty. Yeah, this ain't no slouch going up against the Mero. This mug a monster. The fins back to back. Got the sub box on the back of them. Got somebody beating pulling in. on 2 times. That might looking good. Man, they came in with that stuff. I ain't gonna lie. Get to see them all now, cousin. Now, aren't you glad we came?
You gotta go to the bag.
Yeah.
You gotta go to the bag. ASAP.
Look, they got Big Boo J. Them the Forgiato TJ on 32s gave them. Big Boo J pulling up on the 40s. That's what I was talking about. CJ on 32s gave him his rims. That's his boy. Got him together. Got him looking good. He dirty though. He got to get him washed.
Still sliding.
La. Carbon fiber hood on the Honda. He's trying to go to the back.
Yeah, well, that's where all the cars at.
Catch that C7 for y'all real quick. The bloody red guts. Got the Super Sport right next to him. You see we in like the whole SS section. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. Got all of the lowriders over here. And now I can officially say I've seen CJ and Stunner Reach C8s in person, actually next to each other rather than on 2 separate days. Y'all see the Camaro, the T-top, the one I was in. I seen this one in Rise magazine when I was locked up. Look at the engraving on the wheel. Like that's crazy detail on there. What's going on, Reese? I got the SS up here. I got it off the shop. I made it for the show. Remember I seen you up at PC? All right, say less. It's over here. When you go over there, let me know because I want to vlog it. CJ on 32s, C8. Nasty. Peanut butter guts. Yeah, that's nasty. Ooh, that red is nasty. Damn, that mug is nasty. Ooh. This motherfucker next level. I can't lie though. Every time I see this, I don't know, something about this red on this C8 playing off that gold is just nasty. Too nasty. I can't even lie to you. Man. Next level, bro. There goes CJ right here. Wide body joint. Yeah, this motherfucker nasty. Yeah, that's crazy. Fuck that. Swervo 2 times. Whip one more time for y'all. Look at the sparkles in that mug. That mug is extra sparkling. I don't know if it's picking it up on the camera, but it's sparkling hard from where I'm looking. And it's like all along the whole top part. And it's shimmering in the back too. Yeah, that mug going crazy. In there. That's crazy. That's nice. I like that. The Superman vet. Yeah, he's not. Yes, sir. I like that. The whole setup. Super. Here go Jay Camaro sitting up. Come on, let's go. Dream come true, y'all. Doing this YouTube thing, man. It's fun. Get to watch them all do it. Now I'm a part of the whole thing. Up and coming though, of course. Get CJ on the vlog. Y'all had to pick which C8 would y'all take. You going with Reese or is you going with CJ? Which one is you rocking with? Let me know. Hot as ever though, for sure, for sure. Oh, I ain't even let y'all check out the drip. You know what I'm saying? A little something light, staying cool. That's what I was going for today. I wasn't trying to be super flashy. I was trying to be super cool. And not cool in the sense of fashion. So yeah, Stunner Reese gonna come over here, check out the whip in a little bit, so I wanna be around so I can catch that content. Swervo, what's going on with you, boss man? Chilling.
Yes, sir.
Motivation, you had the 5th gen Camaro, I had the 5th gen.
You had the 5th gen?
Yeah, but I see you upgraded to Scout. I just upgraded, got the SS right here.
Get down this shoe right here, bro?
Yes, sir.
I like it, bro. Nasty.
Yeah, appreciate it. The wheels next, that's what's coming next.
Everybody that's up here with some good sound, y'all.
Just started the up. I just hit 200 subscribers, so I'm steady climbing.
You know you gotta start from somewhere, bro.
Yeah,
man.
man.
All the time, bro. You gotta start from somewhere.
Yes, sir.
And then
I've been just trying to.
Yeah, once you keep going, bro, like bro say, the only way is up.
That's it. For real. But yeah, Z Mero, the channel, if anybody.
What is it?
Z Mero. Z space Mero. M-A-R-O.
Easy.
Easy.
If y'all take that in, man, something wrong with y'all, man.
Show some love, man. I got the wheels on the way. Tell me what y'all, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir, man. So stay tuned. Y'all gotta
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Best Mopar. Best low rider first.
Oh, I got the little carbon fiber done up in there too. I don't know if you peeped that. Carbon fiber on the inside, I had put all through there.
And like Pito said,
Okay, some slight.
real custom cars.
Yeah, man. We out here representing though. You know I'm holding it down. I had to go get my baby back before this show. There was no way I was gonna be at this show without my car. I'm gonna take advantage. Like I said, I see all the big boys here. Introduce myself, hopefully they show some love. And we're gonna get this channel rocking and rolling. Then we go ahead and get some wheels, because once I got the subscribers, you know, I gotta bring y'all content. And all the people that have been watching and rocking with your boy, I appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying? Because there's nothing but love from me on the real. We gonna keep working, keep grinding. And like Dog said, nothing going up is the only way you can go, for real. Come y'all, I'm finna get my chance. Holla at my boy CJ. Right here. CJ. What's going on? My motivation, boy.
What up, bro?
This is me right here. And I know who started with one of them, drop top joint. It's still Mero gang over here. You know, that's my favorite car, yours still, bro.
Everybody said I gotta get wavy up here. That ain't want too much money. I'm gonna try that 3 more years. Too hot.
Yeah, I see the car for 5 minutes.
Yes, some slight.
Gotta get them wheels.
That's next. That's next. It's a 1SS though. I still got it. He ain't got no leather in there. He got the wheels before me though, and he got the paint job. Yeah, he got the paint job. So he got me for right now. That might not even be no SS. I'm quiet as hell. It ain't got no bar.
He might just got the badge on it. We got an old Mustang in the building.
He was just walking right here. He got the jersey on. They say down. Car wash man got the key. Car wash man right here. Car wash man, where you at? Wash the car.
Got the orange interior in that mud.
Yeah, that's the move his car. Come on, man.
They cheap.
Grand National for you guys. Clean. Nice. Cruising down the street in my 6'4".
Yeah, I know. I got some too.
Nice. Old school money. All original, clean. Nice. That paint hitting off this mud. Infinity boys all back to back. Q50s. Alright y'all, I'm finna try to find something to drink. Here go Cuz right here. Let him check out the whips real quick so we can link. And yeah, we'll check in a minute. A little Mopar action for y'all. Know those little car guys.
What's 345? What's an E?
TA, it's probably a 5.7. Probably a 5.7.
Yeah. It might is. Yeah, it is a 5.7. It's the new RT.
And there go the little Scott over here.
That's what these are. These are new.
Wide body.
These are new.
That's clean though.
What's this one?
Scott. The Jeep right here. Big bags, big racks. Another challenger for y'all.
I know damn well he ain't gonna roll over and pick up no ball or nothing.
Soon, cousin. It's deep now. A little scared for you now, cousin. They got all the real power. Oh, you guys, you got no help.
I got the C7 over there, and that 442 don't hold it on. I guess RT, I think of the dog RT. These 392s, so you know.
RT. Ooh, he mean. Look at the lights on this thing. See what I mean about headlights, my nigga? Look at it.
I burn all of these. I ain't seen no Hellcat, so I'm smoking everything up to this point.
Maybe.
You know how even if I'm losing, I'm still gonna talk my shit. You gonna have to beat me, show me. I don't believe it until I get beat. Until I see some taillights. And more than likely, you're gonna see my taillights before I see yours. Gonna get Stunner Reese a take on the SS and see what he think about it. All right, Reese. This the SS.
Where you at with it?
Your first thoughts right here.
Okay.
Blacked out the wheels and stuff. Threw the little carbon fiber on the inside.
Oh, yeah.
Got the real 2SS. The wheels next. That's the next thing to do. Huh?
Count on it.
I'm thinking like 22. I want to do. I like the bigger look, but I like the performance.
Yeah,
I had
yeah,
the V6. I had 24s on my 5th gen. So
Yeah.
now that I got the SS,
I like performance still.
right. I throw some 22-inch 4Gs. They still look good when I pull up. You know, nothing too crazy. Appreciate you, bro.
You got anything you want to shout out?
Yeah, subscribe. Your boy Z Mero. Easy. Z space Mero. I'm at 200 subscribers right now and growing. So rock with your boy. All right, shout out to Stunner Reese, man. Catch all that little detail. I didn't catch that before.
Lifesavers better than this one. he got the hood lifting up like a Corvette.
Yeah, he definitely custom all the way through and through. It's still my favorite one though, I can't lie. Still my favorite. If the window is shaking on that mug.
It's not even clear.
Oh, the roof quaking. Skirting beating out of control, y'all.
This is motor.
this mug? Nice.
Deep on that thing.
Content on it anyway, because I didn't see it yet. Definitely a good little turnout out here at the 10th annual event, How You Ride TV car show. As you can see behind me, we got nothing but heat lined up without through the whole car show, as I got plenty of content already for y'all. We're gonna push right here on the floor. Definitely gonna get this content. We working, we grinding, we trying to go up. Cause I'm definitely highly motivated by all the people around. It's time to get it in, y'all. I hope y'all like that I'm out here getting this content for y'all. Tell your people about me. I'm trying to grow the channel. Please subscribe, show love. Like I said, we're gonna do some live I might be doing another vehicle for my wife in the future, so stay tuned, tell me what y'all think. Z Mero, checking out y'all.